Good RPMs, good temperatures, pressures, fuel, wind correction, and off we go. Let's do it. Right down the center line. Just like that. It's like an elevator.
Fisher's Island is a unique place. It sits about 2 miles off the coast of Connecticut, but it's actually closer to Rhode Island than it is to any other place in New York. But it has its own kind of charm, with some shoreline, beaches to walk, and a few hiking trails. And of course, an airport right on the water with really short runways. Oh, and one more thing about Fisher's Island. It's not exactly a vacation destination. It has a small year-round population of fairly wealthy people, and it does have 2 well-known golf courses. But for me, the real reason to go to Fisher's Island is to check out an interesting little airport, and maybe have the chance to do some nerdy things, like fly my drone on the beach.
All right, they don't show up very well in video or even in photos because they're moving around against the backdrop. But over here, there's a whole bunch of monarch butterflies. I'm going to try to get in with my phone camera and take some up-close pictures. You can see if I go the other way behind me, there's a lighthouse right there over my shoulder.
For me, this place is like choose your own adventure, and is a good example of why I enjoy being a private pilot. I can find unique places I otherwise might never have heard of.
Avionics on. Elizabeth Field, Warrior 60 November Alpha, holding short, runway 3210, going to back taxi to runway 12. Elizabeth. So this is my second time here to Fisher's Island. It's a lot of fun, very cool place. Fuel selector's on the left tank, that's the more full tank seat backs. Doors, I've already checked. The radios are set for this frequency and my next frequency. I'm squawking 1200. So the plan is I'm going to take off straight out, and then as I turn crosswind, I'm going to contact Groton for clearance through the class Delta. Elizabeth Field traffic, Warrior 60 November Alpha, departing runway 12, Elizabeth. All right, here we go, full throttle. Good RPMs, good temperatures, pressures, fuel, wind correction, and off we go. Let's do it, right down the center line. Airspeed's already coming alive. There we go. Just like that, it's like an elevator. Over the water. Look at that. I'm going to take out 1 notch of flaps. Build up some speed. Take out 2 notches of flaps. Build up some speed. And I'm at VY. Brookhaven. Now I'm going to try to get altitude before I go over the island. I don't want to fly right over these people's houses. You know, if you want to keep these airports in operation, you really want to Elizabeth traffic, Warrior 60 November Alpha, turning left crosswind 12. I'll be departing to the northwest. Elizabeth. Last call to Elizabeth. I'm going to be contacting Groton Tower. Elizabeth. Groton Tower, this is this is Warrior 60 November Alpha.
Warrior 60 November Alpha, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just departing Elizabeth Field, and I'm going to be turning onto a base for 12, but I'd like to depart the area through your airspace to the northwest. 60 November Alpha.
Okay, you're turning into Fisher's now?
just departing. I'm on the downwind leg, but I'm departing.
All right, 60 November Alpha, I see you out there at 1,700 feet climbing. Transition through the areas approved. What altitude are you climbing up to?
I'm going to go at 4,500 eventually.
Okay, through my areas approved, altimeter 3028.
3028, 60 November Alpha, thank you.
All right, 60 November Alpha, you're actually climbing above my airspace, and frequency change approved. If you're looking for advisories, Providence uses 11945 in that area.
Thank you very much. Frequency change approved. I'll be getting on with Providence for flight following. Thank you. And Providence approach 60 November Alpha.
Brickyard 4452, contact approach on 127.9.
279, Brickyard 4452.
Providence approach, Warrior 60 November Alpha with request.
60 November Alpha, go ahead.
Yeah, this is a Piper Warrior. Looking for, I'm at 4,500. I'm about 10 miles northwest of Groton, and I'm headed to 7 Bravo 2, 60 November Alpha.
60 November Alpha, roger, can I maintain VFR, squawk 4712.
4712, 60 November Alpha. 712.
Zulu pumps approach, roger. 0 November Alpha, radar contact, front altimeter 3029.
3039, 60 November Alpha. So in terms of flight following, it took me a while to get a hold of the guy, and he probably heard me, but he was busy.
0 November Alpha, able to maintain VFR at or above 5,000 for traffic.
At or above 5,000 for traffic. This is 60 November Alpha.
Yeah, can you maintain, can you do that?
A-firm, climbing to, I'll go 5,000, 60 November Alpha.
Thank you.
So I'm at an IFR altitude, but it is...
Providence, Yankee 22, just off of Groton, 1,000 VFR, heading towards Falmouth.
Yankee 22, ident, and said the altitude climbing to?
With a flash and 1,000 VFR, Yankee 22.
Yankee 22, roger, radar contact, maintain VFR course. 0 November Alpha, altitude, your discretion, contact Bradley 123.905, see ya.
Bradley, 123.905, altitude my discretion, thank you. I have an aircraft in sight below me. Bradley approach, Warrior 60 November Alpha at 5,700, descending 5,500.
November 460 November Alpha, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3030.
3030, 60 November Alpha.
November 60 November Alpha, flighting 010, vectors for an active jump zone.
60 November Alpha, please repeat.
November 60 November Alpha, flighting 010, vectors for an active jump zone.
Active jump zone. Please give me the vector one more time, and I appreciate it. 60 November Alpha.
November 60 November Alpha, all good. Fly heading 010.
010, 60 November Alpha.
November 60 November Alpha, contact Bradley approach 119.0, advise them of your 010 heading.
Contact Bradley approach, and I'll advise them of my 110 heading, 60 November Alpha. And Bradley approach, Warrior 60 November Alpha at 5,500. Would like to begin my gradual descent.
November 60 November Alpha, altitude, your discretion.
My discretion, 60 November Alpha.
2.65, have a go.
They are some busy mother...
Go Whiskey, Bradley approach, Brad Centers. November 60 November Alpha, approach 125.35.
Actually, I can cancel via flight following at this point. I'm pretty close to my home airport. 60 November Alpha.
60 November Alpha, radar search to terminate, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Thank you very much.